How's it going, everyone? Dante here from Frank's Outdoors. Next thing we're going to be talking about is the Carolina rig. First thing you're going to want to do is on your main line, put down some kind of sinker, bullet weight or egg sinker, and then following that is a bead. The reason for the bead is it's going to bounce up against that weight, and it's going to make some kind of clacking noise. It's also going to protect your swivel from the knot getting ruined from the weight. Once you have your swivel, you're going to add some more line and then connect it to your hook, whether it's EWG or wide gap. Then you're going to put your bait on there. You can use, I'm using a brush hog. You can use any kind of creature bait, craw bait, anything. Slide that on, bend it so it's weedless, and then that's going to sit in the water with the weight on the ground and the bait just above the bottom of the water, and you're going to catch a lot of bass that are hugging up against that bottom, staying close to the bottom. This is really good in deep water flats, deep water structure, anything like that. And if you guys want to come on in to Frank's Outdoors, we got over 200 different styles of bulk plastics, and we'll get you rigged up.